Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video here, old school soul food video here. Today I'm going to be doing another, just like a holiday bread I would say. Another one of my favorites is orange cranberry bread. So very simple, all you do is really dump everything in the bowl, mix it up a few minutes, bam, put it in the pan, put it in the oven for an hour and it's ready. Very simple. All my recipes, very simple, very easy, but also come out awesome. So let's get started here. What are we gonna do? We put all the wet ingredients in there first. Get all the wet ingredients started. And then we add our dry. We got egg, orange juice, I got oil here, I got milk and vanilla. Mix all that up really good. I'm gonna add my baking soda, this baking soda powder. I'm gonna go add it to the flour. Gonna add my sugar. This is a very simple recipe. It's gonna be so quick. Then I'll add my flour. Flour to this. Stir this up a little. Add my orange zest. I'm gonna only add a little. I'm gonna save like half of my icing. And right at the end, we add the cranberries. That's it. See how long that took? Less than a minute. Not even a minute. That was so easy. Scrape this off here. That's all. Like I always say, please share, comment on my video, like, give it thumbs up. Okay. Now we're gonna pull this into the pan here. Make sure we get everything out of here. And then that off of there. That's it. Spread it in the pan. We're gonna put it in the oven for an hour, 350 degrees. And we'll come back an hour and show you how it is. Also, we're gonna make a glaze to go on it. It's gonna be orange juice, powdered sugar, and orange zest. So we'll be back in an hour and show you how it come out. All right, y'all, we back here. See here, oh yeah, nice. See that nice golden brown, nice firm there. Nice color. So we're gonna let this cool a little. And I got some, the recipe is in the description also of this. I got a nice glaze. I'm gonna let it get semi-cool. And I'm gonna put this nice orange glaze on top. All it is orange juice, powdered sugar, and orange zest. And I'm gonna put a little that on top, glaze it on top. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna let it cool a few minutes. Okay, y'all, we back here. We're gonna see if this thing gonna come out. It's like semi. There we go. Look at that. Pop that out right there. Nice. Okay. Now we're gonna put the glaze right on the top of it. Put glaze on there. And there's no science how you do this. Just want to put a little glaze on there. Not a lot, you know. Just let it flow over the side of it. That's why you want it to be not too hot, but you want it to be a little warm so it'll glaze nicely. So it'll eat. If it's too hot, it won't stay on there. It'll just go completely off. Of course, y'all know that. That's common sense. And that's it. We're gonna let that cool just a slight, just a little bit, maybe 5 more minutes, and we're gonna slice it. We're gonna come back here, we're gonna slice it up and show you how it is. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay. Slice a little bit on the edge here and see how it come out here. End piece is always the best. Look at that. Nice. Nice and moist. Especially when it's warm. Yep. The glaze is good. Look how moist that is. Wow. Good. Wow, I'm just about to put that on the plate, huh? Put my counter. But anyway, try this recipe. Give it a thumbs up. Comment, share. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.